Buying Discord Nitro with Visa gift card. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Discord Nitro with Visa gift card. In order to do that, first go to Discord and then you have to click on the settings option that will appear as the gear icon. In the settings, what you have to do is you have to scroll down until you see the Nitro section. As you see, I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Now I am will able to see the Nitro section. In the Nitro section, you have to select whatever the Nitro that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this one, I will click on this one and then I will have the options. Suppose I want to buy this one and this one is for $3. So I'm going to click on this to subscribe. What it will do, it will open the page. Here you have to click on your previous card if you do not have one. Then what you have to do this, then you have to click on a new and then you have to select card and then you will easily be able to put your Visa card details right here. As you can see, you have to add your card number, expiration date, CVC, name of the card, and then you have to proceed to next option. After this, your card will be added to the Discord and then you will be able to buy anything from Discord Nitro with Visa gift card. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.